Sister Wives Christine Brown is dating again after Kody Brown split, awkward. Moving on. Sister Wives star Christine Brown is looking for romance more than 1 year after her split from Kody Brown. Where do sister wives Meri, Janelle, Christine, Robyn stand with each other?
I'm dating again.
Holy hell. Awkward. Dating online is crazy, the Cooking with Just Christine star, 50, wrote via Instagram on Sunday, January 29.
Any advice for dating at 50?
She posted the caption alongside several photos of herself in an all-black outfit against a beautiful background of mountaintops. The comments were filled with words of wisdom.
Have a good sense of humor.
And have a list of non-negotiables, one person wrote. Another added, don't lower your expectations.
And enjoy learning yourself.
Christine's search for a new partner comes after she and Kody, 53, announced their split in November 2021. The pair had been spiritually marred since 1994.